Don't go forward.
आपने सूट भी मैचिंग पहना हुआ है। फ्रेंड है मेरी।
Prem and I have a very strange relation. बहुत साल तक, महीनों और हफ्तों तक नहीं, बहुत साल तक हम एक दूसरे को खाली सैर करते देखते थे, दूर से देखते थे, मुस्कुराते थे। कभी किसी भी ग्रुप में हम लोग इकट्ठे नहीं थे क्योंकि मैं अपने बिज़ी थी, प्रेम खुद बिज़ी थी। लेकिन करीब 10 साल पहले मैंने प्रेम को सरप्राइज़ दिया। मैंने कहा मैं तुम्हारे पास आई हूँ गुरु दक्षिणा लेकर। वो कहने लगी क्यों? मैंने कहा तुम मेरी गुरु हो। प्रेम मेरे से छोटी हैं, काफ़ी छोटी हैं, लेकिन मैंने सबसे पहले योगा उनसे सीखा। क्योंकि जब मुझे कहा गया कि योग करो, तो मैंने सोचा इधर उधर गाड़ी में बैठकर इधर दूर जाके योग करके वापस एयर कंडीशन गाड़ी में आने से अच्छा है अपने घर में योग करना सीखें। तो मैंने सोचा कि प्रेम बहुत स्वस्थ और रेगुलर and very regulated life, a lady with routine. So I said, Prem, you do yoga? She says, yes. No, I didn't know Prem. I said, you do yoga? I didn't know her name. So she says, yes. Then she said, you have to be a little active and you have to be very disciplined. I said, fine. So she gave me the tips. I don't want to bore you with the rest of it. And then we came to know each other's name. And then for some function or the other, we both sang. And it seemed that we coordinated and supplemented each other. And since then, Prem has been my friend and I have been Prem's friend. And by the way, till today, we haven't been to each other's house. We have never called on each other, but we are great friends. And many, many, many happy returns, Prem, from me.
I am Rama and I met Prem quite a few years back when I joined Ladies Club, and she was a part of some of the kitties also. And what I liked about her was her openness and the music and pictures and like that. So we used to play Antakshari whenever we went on picnics, and always it was one side I was the leader, and the other side she used to be the leader. And but one thing I must say, that she always knew so many songs which I used to forget, and she always remembered the Antakshari, and she won almost always. And then she became the secretary of ladies club, and I had joined because earlier I was not very much regular because I was working. And when I retired, I used to come to the ladies club, play tambola. She was good announcer. I learned so much from her about her calling. Now I can say that I am as good as her, if not better. That is the thing. And she is a very happy-go-lucky person. She takes the commitment very seriously, whether it is walking or it is dancing or taking part in a play, or somehow I have seen that she and I are almost always everywhere, whether it is in a group or it's a Janamashtami song or it's on a independence song or whatever the thing. So we are always together. एंड खप्पी मिजाज के लोग जैसे होते हैं तो उसमें लाइक दैट दूसरों की टांग खींचना हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, और हमारी टांग भी खींच रहे तो कोई बात नहीं है. दैट इज़ अ थिंग. सो दैट इज़ अ थिंग, एंड आई इज़ अ वेरी वेरी नाइस पर्सन. आई एम ग्लैड टू बी knowing to her. Thank you.
Today is a special day in the lives of dear Vinod and Prem. I have known them both more closely ever since our stay in Som Vihar. I must say, my first awareness of Prem was when I watched one of her TV serials in which she was acting, and when I physically met her, I realized the person who she was. And well, that was the beginning. And over the last 35 years, it has been a very great pleasure to be interacting with her on all the fronts, be it ladies club or bhajan mornings or the study circle or socially meeting in weddings and club evenings. I must say, they both make a charming couple. God bless them. And may they continue to enjoy their innings later in years. God bless them. Thank you so much.
I'm General Mehrotra. Today is a very, very fortunate day, and we are so happy that we have got the 75th birthday of our dear Prem. I have known this family for more than 30 years, and they have been asset to Som Vihar. I was the chairman. Her husband used to be so helpful in everything. Whatever Som Vihar needed, they were always at that service. She had been a wonderful lady, popular amongst everybody, and her children are excellent. And may God bless her with a century and look after the family and bless the family forever. Thank you.
प्रेम को मैं किट्टी में मिली हूँ. हम लोग अक्सर महीने में 3 बार मिलते हैं, और उसने मुझे चेस सिखाने की कोशिश करी. शी इज़ ए ग्रेट चेस मास्टर. उसने कोशिश करी पर मेरे पल्ले पड़ी नहीं. आई टुक 2-3 लेसन. आफ्टर दैट आई सेड नहीं, मैं नहीं कर सकती. शी इज़ ए इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल. आई एम नॉट लाइक हर एट ऑल.
प्रेम जी मेरी छोटी बेटी सोनू की मदर इन लॉ है, पर मेरे लिए वो बहुत एक फ्रेंड से भी ज़्यादा है. और हम लोग आपस में हमारी इंटरेक्शन बहुत ही अच्छी है. वी इंजॉय हर ईच अदर्स कंपनी. वी गो टू मूवीज़ टुगेदर, वी चैट टुगेदर, एंड वॉट एवर वी हैड वी शेयर विथ ईच अदर. And I love her because she is a wonderful person, and I pray her long life and happiness and my best wishes.
हाँ जी, प्रेम जी तो मेरी सखी हैं. और ये जो रानी जी ने अभी कहा कि हमने इकट्ठे, मैं भी उसमें शामिल हूँ. सो हम सबका बहुत आपस में प्यार है और बड़ा अच्छा लगता है व्हेन वी सिट टुगेदर एंड चैट एंड कभी कभी अपने आदमियों की भी नहीं नहीं बहुत अच्छे, नहीं कहना चाहिए तो मजाक था. Love her and God bless her, please. She has got wonderful children and they are very lovable.
One thing more, she is too health conscious, which we can't cope with it.
Prem, she's one of my dearest friends. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Very, very long life. I have been associated with her for the past many years. Her best quality, which I have liked it, she's a fitness freak. Come what may, that's though she may be very busy, but fitness is one thing which is on the top of that her head. And she has inspired me to pick up the chess. So we enjoyed both of us so much. I have literally stopped playing any cards game except that we both of us enjoy sometime weekly, sometime twice a week chess. And God bless you. May God bless you a lot. Thank you, Prem.
मैं वीना गुप्ता प्रेमलता की बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड हूँ और हम लोग काफ़ी सालों से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. बहुत अच्छी है प्रेम, हमेशा हेल्पफुल है और हमेशा जिस कोई भी काम उसको बताते हैं तो हमेशा करके देती है. बहुत अच्छा लगता है उसका साथ और हम उसको, उनके बच्चों को, बच्चों के बच्चों को सबको जानते हैं और अच्छी बहुत उसकी अच्छी अच्छी बातें हैं. बहुत से लोग वेट कर रहे हैं और वो लोग भी बताएंगे.
हम उसको बहुत पहले से जानते हैं, हमारी किटी फ्रेंड है, बहुत काइंड हार्टेड है, वेरी स्वीट लेडी. गॉड ब्लेस हर.
यार मैंने बीटेक आईआईटी से कर ली, एमटेक आईआईटी से कर ली, लेकिन मैं अगर कुछ बोलता हूँ तो she doesn't listen to me because she finds that what her friends will say she will accept and do that. So I really want to thank all of you from the bottom of the hearts of the entire family for meaning the world to her and making this day very special for her. I'm sure that she's going to cherish this moment for a lifetime. And I was just telling my father-in-law that my son was supposed to come for my wife's 50th birthday and he met with a small accident that day, could not make it. I said उसकी किस्मत में अपनी नानी का बर्थडे लिखा हुआ था 75th, so he is there present today and he is leaving tomorrow. So thank you once again very, very much for making this a special day for the entire family. May I now request my darling mother-in-law taking liberty with my father-in-law. want to tell you is, I want to thank actually 4 people for this evening, which is Pratima, my father-in-law, Ashish, and my wife Rachna, who planned this whole evening to keep it a surprise from her. And fortunately, even you friends cooperated in it, and it was a surprise for us. Thank you very much. The dinner is laid outside. The moment you finish your soup and the cake, may I request you to join us for dinner. Thank you.
Today, my wife has turned 75 and I am closing into 80. And she's been so particular about the food, the routine in the house, that probably perhaps my health has carried on because of the restrictions that she imposes on the type of food which is being cooked in the house and the timings. The food is laid at 8 o'clock at night, 8 p.m. is the last, and 10 o'clock the light out, we have to sleep. And we get up early in the morning. That not many people are, even my children are not able to do that. None of my children, they sleep in time or get up in time, or my grandchildren for that matter. So perhaps that is the secret of our longevity and life that we have led.
So Mom, it's a real privilege कि I've seen the birthdays of both my parents turning 75 5 years ago. Dad turned 75, you turned 75 today. I'm really blessed to have parents like you. I hope that you're happy with everything that we did today. Do you want to say something?
Yes, Ashish, I'm very, very happy. I was not expecting all this, what you have done. Yes, I'm on the top of the world, very happy. Thank you so much, beta. Thank you.
Anything about your 75 years and looking back on life, would you have liked to change something?
No, I won't like to change anything. I'm very content person, very happy with my life.
Same here, Mom. God bless you and wish you a long life.
Thank you.
Rachna?
I'm very lucky that I'm here for my mother's 75th birthday, and I'm able to attend it, and I'm very blessed to have parents like my father and my mother, and I'm very happy for her that
Rachna, I love you very much, but you don't know. Again and again I'm saying कि I love you very, very much, beta. Thank you so much what you have done for me.
Today is my Nani's 75th birthday. I remember telling her that on my priority list in the family, she used to come on top. Still is, even though we've had a lot of troubled times together. बहुत तंग किया है मैंने भी नानी को और भाग भी गया था एक बार में. But still, she is the most disciplined person in the family that everyone knows, and I've spent most of my time with her. Apart from my parents, I think she's the only one with whom I spent this much time, and I stayed with her when Papa was posted in field in Nagaur, and I remember नानी के पास हमेशा एक घंटी होती है to call everyone for dinner. And I was very small. I think I was 3 or 4 years old. I don't remember correctly. नानी को better पता होगा. But I remember नानी used to call Nana, saying Vinu खाना लग गया, and I remember sitting on that small chair and calling out Vinu खाना लग गया और घंटी लेके, and once नानी would ring it, then I would ring it. And after that, my parents had gone to Hong Kong once. Then again 1 week I'd stayed with Nani, where even though she was having her own problems of her knee, she took utmost care of me. मेरे को बुखार होकर रखा था, and Nani didn't leave my side. I remember. At night also she used to come and check. मेरी एक बहुत ख़राब आदत है फ़ोन पे लगे रहने की, and सोता नहीं हूँ मैं. 1 बजे रात को Nani came out and she told me कि सो जाओ ये वो, and she used to give me medicines, everything. And I love you, Nani. So, and I hope to have much better times with you and spend a lot more time with you. Happy 75th birthday.
Thank you, Ayushman. Thank you very much. I think I'm very, very lucky having a grandson like you, very handsome and very intelligent and very good friend of mine. Thank you, Ayu.
I'm very lucky that I could attend. I've been able to attend my mother's 75th birthday here, and I feel very lucky and blessed to have parents like my parents. And I wish her a long and healthy life, and I want her to be happy always.
Rachna, I told you that I like you very much, but you don't know. In hearts of my hearts, I always pray to God to give peace and all the love in the world for you. And I love you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, so today is my Nani's 75th birthday, and I just remember having a lot of fun with her over the years. I had the best time with her. I'd be really happy when I'd visit her. So I'm gonna keep it brief and just say I love you, Nani. Happy 75th birthday.
Arjun, where are you going? I love you very much. You are my youngest grandson. I like you very much. I know you are very intelligent, very smart. I love you.
बहुत सारे वाक़यात हैं जो मैं बोल सकता हूँ और बता सकता हूँ, बस शायद एक सबसे पहले वाक़यात मेरी शादी के पहले का वाक़यात है। मेरे फादर मेरी वाइफ रचना को देखने आए थे, और जब वो वापस आए तो उन्होंने ये नरेट किया जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, शायद किसी को नहीं पता ये। तो मेरी मदर इन लॉ ने दरवाज़ा खोला, और ये बात 26 साल पहले है, तो वो शायद काफ़ी यंग लगती थी उस समय। तो मेरे फादर ने आके बोला कि यार, जब मैंने दरवाज़ा उन्होंने खोला तो मैंने कहा कि ये नीरज ने किसको पसंद कर लिया है, ये तो काफ़ी ओल्ड लग रही हैं थोड़ी सी। तो वो पहला इंट्रोडक्शन था मेरा उनकी लाइफ में। उसके बाद जब मैं उनसे मिला और जब रहा घर में, तो मैंने देखा, आई थिंक आई हैव नॉट मेट अ मोर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड पर्सन देन हर। शी इज़ एक्सट्रीमली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, शी इज़ वेरी वेल डिसिप्लिन्ड, एंड शी इज़ वेरी पंक्चुअल। एक बार का वाकया मैं बताता हूँ। मैं मथुरा में पोस्टेड था स्टाफ में, और मुझे एक कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए दिल्ली आना था। वो हमारे पास छुट्टी बिताने आई हुई थी और उनको भी वापस दिल्ली आना था। वो अपनी गाड़ी में थी और ड्राइवर था उनके पास, और मेरे पास फौज की गाड़ी और ड्राइवर था जो मेरे को लेके आ रहा था कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए। तो हमने डिसाइड किया था कि हम 6 बजे वहाँ से निकलेंगे, सो दैट वी रीच दिल्ली टुगेदर, और दोनों गाड़ियाँ साथ में चलेंगी। तो मेरे को शायद, मैं जूते पहन रहा था, 2 मिनट लेट हो गया। 6 बजे जब मैंने अपनी वाइफ से पूछा, उन्होंने कहा 6 बज गए थे, मम्मी तो चली गई, और मैं 6:05 पे उनके पीछे चल रहा हूँ अपनी जिप्सी लेके। So that is one example of her punctuality. You can fix your, wristwatch with her timings. She is a extremely disciplined, organized, and very meticulous lady. My wife has picked up only little qualities of these 3 out of her, but my brother-in-law has picked up all of these qualities from her. So probably my wife takes on her habits from my father-in-law, and my brother-in-law takes his habits from my mother-in-law. She's a wonderful lady, and I'm grateful to God that I've got married into this family.
Rajiv. थोड़ा यहाँ से व्यू अच्छा मिल रहा है।
Just a number.
Look at the camera.